Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing North Wind Motel. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located in North Wildwood, a 6-minute walk from North Wildwood Beach, North Wind Motel has accommodations with a seasonal outdoor swimming pool, free private parking, a terrace and barbecue facilities. The property is around 1.3 miles from Wildwood Beach, 1.9 miles from Splash Zone Water Park and 1.9 miles from Morey's Piers. The hotel has family rooms. The rooms include a TV, a safety deposit box and free Wi-Fi, while selected rooms also feature a balcony and some have pool views. At the hotel each room has bed linen and towels. Wildwoods Convention Center is 2.4 miles from North Wind Motel, while Wildwood Boardwalk is 2.4 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Atlantic City International Airport, 39 miles from the accommodation. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.